Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use PartnerStack as a beginner and start earning money with affiliate marketing, whether you are a creator, a content creator, blogger, or just starting out. This platform is beginner friendly and packed with high paying programs. So let's dive in. What is PartnerStack? PartnerStack PartnerStack is an affiliate network that connects you with S. PartnerStack is an affiliate network that connects you with SaaS companies looking for partners to promote their products. Think of it like a marketplace where you can join programs and get paid for referrals. So select original PartnerStack website like that. Then click on get started. Now you can sign up using your email or Google account. Just go to get started button, then select one from here like vendor or partners, publishers. So I'll choose partner and publishers, then click join the network. Now enter your work email address or sign up with your Google account. Choose your Google account, and this is where you will manage all your affiliate links, programs, and earnings. Then enter your email address or your Google account. Now submit the terms and conditions like that. Now once you are in, click on the Discover Partnerships tab to browse all available programs like Multiplier, Apollo.io, Bright Data, Webflow, etc. Some approve instantly, while others take a few days. Use the search bar or filter by category to find products that fit your audience. When you find one you like, click Join Program. After joining a program, go to your Program tab. Now click your Programs tab, then Discover Program. And you will find your referral link right there. Click Apply to Program, then follow the instruction. Enter your business website, LinkedIn profile, country name, and describe about your business. You can now share this link on your blog, YouTube description, Instagram bio, or anywhere your audience is. Make sure you follow each brand's guidelines on automation. PartnerStack gives you full insights into your click signups, conversions, and commissions. You can filter data by program, or time period. This helps you track what content or platform is performing best. Payments are usually sent monthly via PayPal or Stripe. Once you hit the threshold, you can check payout status under the rewards tab. Go to network profile. Now from this tab you can invite member or friends. Just share invite link, copy it and send them via email or WhatsApp, or invite by mail. Just enter mail and select label, then hit send invite. Then roles, permissions, and commissions, integrations. You can connect HubSpot from here. Now again click your profile icon and click my account. Here you can add your personal information like first name, last name, email address, phone number, business website, LinkedIn profile, Twitter handle, then your Google search address, etc. city. Here are a few quick tips if you are just starting out. Promote your only products you trust or use personally. Focus on building content around the product like reviews, tutorials, or comparison videos. Use URL shorteners like bit.ly or pretty links to track performance on different platforms. Stay consistent and patient. Affiliates earn over time, not ever over. Affiliates earn over time, not overnight. Show tip list visually. And that's how you get started with PartnerStack as a beginner. It's super easy to use and offers great earning potential, especially with SaaS products. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.